Welcome to CreamSoda. In this video, we'll walk you through integrating PayPal so you can start collecting payments. Let's get started. Click your name in the top right corner to open the drop-down. Select My Profile. Once you're on the Profile page, click on the Integrations tab. Here you'll find the option to integrate with PayPal. Click the button to proceed. Now fill out the integration form. In the name field, enter a descriptive name such as PayPal for lead forms. Next, input your PayPal client ID, which you can retrieve from the PayPal developer dashboard. Double-check your details, and when everything looks correct, click Submit. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated PayPal with CreamSoda. You can now collect payments. Thanks for watching.